This is 1410 Osceola in Clearwater. And I just cleaned this with the jetter, so we're going to see what keeps causing the backup in here. So this is our problem area here. I'm going to work on this and see if I can't get them cut out. Alright, so I'm out at the city tap. We had a bunch of roots growing in at a lot of the joints. So we've got the roots cut out now. Clay pipe. Just about every one of these joints had a whole bunch of roots growing in it. This is a PVC clean out. Not really sure what that is right there. I don't think it's impeding the flow. Oh, probably a piece of a root that we cut out. You can see a couple little remnants of roots in here. So I've got this shower on now so we can run under clean water. Make sure we got all the roots out. See, everything's flowing good now. I'm almost back up at the house, and now I'm coming out of the clean out here next to the house. And I'm going to conclude the video.